My husband just finished putting together these two end tables and it was so easy to assemble. You don't need any tools, which of course is always a plus in our book. These ones here are the black, but they do come in different colors. And I think this is really neat because I haven't seen anything like that. This is kind of like the best of both worlds because you do have that MDF to give you that really nice like wood look. But then the structure here, this is actually plastic and it makes it so light, which is really nice. It's really easy to move around. Another really cool thing about this is that you would have to switch out this one down here and put it up here, but you could then actually stack this if you wanted to make one tall one, which I think is really neat. So just depending on what you're looking for. Because they are so light and you do have that plastic aspect, it could only take about 20 pounds, but this is going to be perfect beside your bed if you want to put like a lamp, if you want to put your devices beside the couch, you know, for like your remotes or a gaming console, things like that. So yeah, they look really nice, super easy to put together. And honestly, what more do you need in a little end table?